So when I started off my channel about 4 to 5 years ago, there weren't a lot of mini dash cams in that particular time. Probably one or two under the budget segments, more specifically the DD Pi Mini was like kind of the hot selling dash cam during that period. But fast forward to 2025, there are hundreds of options in the budget segment and it gets quite confusing which dash cam to buy, like what are the features, what are your requirements, and it becomes very difficult to choose the right one for you. So in this video, I want to talk about a new budget dash cam that has currently entered the Indian market. Nothing very hi-fi stuff, kind of very much similar to most other dash cams in terms of hardware. But this dash cam has certain unique features, software-based features, which are like, as I said, very unique to it and are not offered by any other budget dash camera. So in this video, I'll be doing a quick review of the Eon DRS single channel front only dashcam which comes under the budget segment. Now do note that you get this in two variants, GPS and non-GPS, but the rest of the features are quite the same. So just watch this video and see if the features offered by the Eon DRS single channel dashcam are really important to you and are worth considering as your next dash camera. You're watching Gizmobeep. Let's get started. So here is the Eon DRS one channel GPS variant full HD dash camera. You get the brand name Eon, you get a picture of the dash cam. It also says H.265 video codec encoding. It also gets 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and a 2 megapixel CMOS sensor. There are certain features highlighted on the box and it says it supports motion detection, supports loop recording, gets a 32 GB card right inside the box, gets in-app ALPR which is automatic license plate read. It also gets 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and also supports GPS tracking. So very unique features considering this is a under 5,000 budget dash cam. Let's quickly open up the box and show you what you get inside it. So as soon as you open up the box, you get a Lexar 32 GB memory card inside it. So here is the main front camera, the Eon DRS one channel GPS variant. On one side you get a power button. At the back you get the Eon branding. You also get a mic port. At the rear you get some ventilation holes. On one side you get a older gen mini USB port and a memory card slot. So the camera is pre-attached to the windshield mount, and the good thing being the camera is 360-degree rotatable, which means you can even record the cabin of the car. So you get a 12-volt car charger with a single USB port and probably a LED indicator. You also get a wiring installation tool. And here is the main USB power cable with a USB type A port at one end and a mini USB older gen port at the other end. So you also get an external GPS logger which you'll have to attach to the windshield. So this comes pre-connected to the main USB power cable. So this dashcam focuses on bringing some unique software improvements, unique software features which are not available in any other dashcam within this particular budget range. And what are those features? Well, four important of those. The first one is called ALPR. This is the automatic license plate read. The second one is the geofencing, which basically means you can put up a geofence on the Google Maps and check if the car has crossed it or not crossed it. You can even track the car. There is GPS tracking. Basically, you can track the movement of the car along the Google Maps and see where the car has gone. Lastly, you get one more super unique feature, that is cloud storage. Yes, you get about 5 GB worth of storage for a budget dashcam. You can upload any of the videos shot by this dashcam straight to the cloud and you don't need to worry about losing out those particular video files either during a memory card corruption or just you might have misplaced the memory card. Now apart from these unique software features, this dash camera offers, just like any other dash camera, 1080p full HD recording, a single channel variant, as I said previously, a GPS and a non-GPS variant. Rest of the stuff is quite similar to all the other cameras out there. And of course, another thing to note is that you get a free 32 GB memory card in the box. So when you get the dash camera, you don't have to go searching for a memory card. You don't have to invest extra money for a memory card. You get memory card 32 GB one right inside the box. You can insert it and start using the dash camera straight away. But of course, if you want to get some higher storage, you always have the option to buy a additional memory card and insert it in the dashcam. Now another cool thing to note about this camera is that you can download just the GPS data recorded from the videos. Now what happens is in a regular recording in a memory card, due to loop recording, the oldest videos start to get deleted as soon as the newest files are written when the memory card memory is completely full. But what you can do is you can save up to close to a month's worth of GPS data and export it separately so that the video itself actually gets deleted, but the GPS data will be stored up to a month. So this is also a very unique feature. So in case if you have lost track, or in case if you forgot to take a look at the videos, you can always take a look at the GPS data and track the car movements on the Google Maps within the AEON app. So I tried out the ALPR functionality of this dash camera. Basically, it's an algorithm which tries to decipher which number plate is being shown on the screen. What it basically does is once you download a particular video, you have to enable it for ALPR within the app. And what the app does is just split the video into various different screenshots. So you have to particularly select a screenshot in which the number plate is like kind of closest to the camera. That kind of helps the algorithm to sort of make it out. So once you click on the photo and you run the ALPR, the algorithm tries to detect the number plate and automatically shows it to you on the screen. Now in the previous traditional method, you'll have to manually zoom into the video, like take a snapshot and zoom in and try to read out the number plate. But in this scenario, the app, the algorithm, the inbuilt AI itself tries to deduce what number plate is being shown on the screen. Most of the times it gives you a proper read, especially when the number plate is very close and it's in a well lit area. Sometimes there might be a few errors here and there. It's always good to cross check everything, but more or less considering this is a under 5,000 dashcam and offering such a unique feature is something worth considering. The geofencing and the geo-tracking again are very unique features. You have to select 4 different points on a map and create a geofence area, beyond which if the car ever moves out of that particular area, the dashcam will recognize it and store it in the GPS data. So once your car is back and once you've connected the dashcam to your smartphone, you can take a look at the geofencing data, see if there were any violations, and if there were, you can easily make out that the car had moved out of the particular area where you had marked. Now do note that this is not real time, and probably many of you will ask me this question, that if you can do this while sitting at home while somebody else is driving your car. No, that's not the case. This is not a LTE based dashcam or a SIM based dashcam to give you a real-time connection, a real-time data. You can do this only and only when you're connected to the dashcam from your smartphone through the dashcam's Wi-Fi hotspot. So this basically means if somebody else was driving your car, it has to come back. You have to manually connect your smartphone to the dashcam, and then you can track or basically see where the car went, see the geofencing area, see if it ever violated that area, and you can also use ALPR, all these features once you connect your smartphone to the dashcam via its hotspot. This is not real time, do note that. The overall video quality of this camera is decent for the price, nothing very exceptional. I mean, does the job for the money you're paying for it. But the more focus, the primary focus of this camera has been the software enhancements, namely the ALPR and the cloud storage option. So if you're someone who finds these particular features in a budget dashcam to be suitable for your requirements, most specifically if you're a cab aggregator who has multiple cars going out all over the place and you want to track them, you want to make sure that the car has not left that particular area, and you want to make out some number plates using ALPR, I think under the price bracket of 5,000, the Eon DRS should be your ideal choice. And in any case, if you already decided to buy this camera based on the features which I just spoke about, the purchase link is given right down below in the description. Just go ahead, click on it and buy this camera for yourself. That being said, you can always write down your questions, your queries down below in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in any way, I'm quite sure it did, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who are looking for a budget dashcam with such unique features. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.